Still working on that file save load to RAM. Let's look at the changes so far in video 373. In the Filemob function section, in this binary array to pixel array function, taking a PNG file and decoding it, we have added a little feature here where we're going to return the number of usable bytes in the output parameter. So here's our output parameter. We want to know how many bytes of that are actually usable, and that's going to be returned here. Now, if OK is less than or equal to 0, things aren't OK, so we'll return 0. If everything is OK, we're just going to assert that the number of bytes is at least 42 bytes. Otherwise, there's no way that we actually have valid data. This section here, decode PNG and MP1, is saying that we have a PNG file in miscellaneous pixel memory number 1. We're inside of the local load function of the Filemob function section. And all we're doing here is making sure that there's valid data in MP1. So it needs to be a PNG 512 by 512 binary file. And if it is not, we are going to yell at the user and log a message. But we're not going to crash. Now, if we do have valid data, because we have a PNG 512 tag, then we can start the decoding process. So we're going to set the binary array and length using these variables, the MP1 variables, and the pixel array is going to be the other MP variable, the MP0 variable, our miscellaneous memory. And we'll set the pixel array number of bytes to a trap value. We're going to try to decode, and if we are unsuccessful, then we'll end up down here and we will yell at the user, but we won't crash. And if we are successful, we need to copy the memory over into whatever hotel cell on the master memory we're in. But we're going to do that copy over in a different video, so we just threw an error right here. And we'll do that in the next video probably. And if we end up here, that means that somehow we reached a line of code that was unreachable. So, because it should either be equal to this tag or not equal to this tag. Here's what we did in the previous video. Here's our footnotes, and then way down here is what we did in this video. So if you want a longer description, go here. You are here. Like, subscribe, send money.